What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we have this 2015 F350, and today we have this code right here, P24C6, and that code means that the particle matter sensor temperature has a circuit fault. So here we have the truck 2015. This is a 6.7 diesel, and it pretty much applies for that engine. So the cause of this problem is gonna be actually the sensor. So as you can see here, I already have the sensor. Here it is. It actually looks like a nitrogen sensor, but it works a little bit different than that. You only have 1, 2, 5 cables there, and usually the nitrogen sensor has probably like 8 wires in there. So this sensor is gonna be located at the very back of the exhaust. It's almost at the end of the frame. Actually the truck has, I believe, 2 nitrogen sensors, or 1, I'm not sure, but this is a sensor that it's failing. I already checked it, and let me take you to the diagnosis because it shows an interesting problem in there. So the sensor is actually in the truck right now. It's connected, and the code won't go away even if I clear it. Let me open the switch right here. I'm gonna show you really quick. We're gonna select the PCM, and obviously if you're doing this job, and well, I guess you don't have this scanner, but the scanner actually helps me to confirm the problem with this truck. Let me just make sure we still have the code in there. It's gonna take a little bit to communicate with the computer, and well, let's wait a little bit. Actually the truck, it's cold right now. As you can see, it's cold. It's been sitting on the driveway. It's been sitting on the driveway for a little bit. So obviously the exhaust is gonna be cold. Everything's cold, and the average temperature right now, it's about 45 degrees or 50. I'm not sure. I don't see any gauge right here, but we're about 50 Fahrenheit because we have snow on the mountains right there, so it's pretty cold. As you can see, oh, actually I have that code because I unplugged the sensor for the nitrogen. I thought it was gonna be the issue but I already cleared them. Let me just do this again, and we should have only the code for the matter sensor. So let's give it a little bit time. So the reason I unplugged the nitrogen sensor is because I thought it was gonna be the issue but it's actually a different story, because I went to the diagram and I looked at it and it's different. So as you can see here, I have actually a different code, but it's because I have the sensor disconnected. If I connect it back, it will give me the other code that I show you. So let's take this truck to the ramp, and I'm gonna show you how to replace this. You actually are gonna need 15/16 to remove this. It's not 7/8, not anymore. So let's go to the ramp and start removing this. Alright, so we have the sensor here, and I'm going to connect the sensor just to show you that we're gonna have a different code. Entonces ahorita voy a conectar el sensor para atrás para que vean que el código no se quita, y ahorita vamos a usar el escáner para ver, monitorear la información en vivo, y vamos a ver que está marcando demasiada temperatura este sensor. Okay, so we're back in the scanner. Ya regresamos atrás para el scanner y vamos a borrar el código. We're gonna erase the code because I connected back the sensor, and I'm gonna show you the code that won't go away even if that thing is connected. Ahorita les voy a enseñar que no se va el código aunque esté conectado el sensor. Va a decir que hay un problema en el circuito de temperatura del matter sensor en esta troca. Entonces vamos a esperar. We're gonna wait. Come on, let's go. And as you can see here, particle matter sensor temperature circuit. Entonces ese es el problema que estamos teniendo. we're gonna go to live data, and you're gonna see that the temperature is probably above 1,000 degrees, which is not good. I mean, it's a wrong reading. We don't even have the truck hot right now. Entonces ahorita vamos a ver en el data que tenemos la temperatura más de 1000 grados, y pues la troca no está prendida ahorita, ni ha estado fría un buen rato, y pues también el código no se desaparece, no importa cuántas veces lo borres. Alright, so let's wait for this thing to gain communication. We're gonna select matter sensor, and we're gonna scroll down, y aquí vemos particle matter sensor temperature 1742 grados. Entonces vamos a conectar el nuevo para atrás y vamos a ver qué pasa. Okay, so now we're gonna connect the new sensor. Vamos a conectar el nuevo sensor. Entonces tengo que desconectarlo de acá, está un poco difícil. Aquí está, viejito. Y el nuevo no trae los securing clips, so the new sensor doesn't have the securing clips. We need to transfer those clips, which are these, so we can support it on the frame. But first we're gonna make sure we have the right reading when we install this. So I'm gonna put this little box in there, and then I'm going back to the truck and check again the data and make sure we don't have any code anymore. Okay, so come on, yeah, it's connected. Here we go, and let's go back to the truck. Okay, so we're back in the truck. Ya regresamos para atrás a la troca y vamos a borrar los códigos. So we have the code erase, turn ignition off, switch it on again, read codes, and retrieve the memory. And let's see what happens. Come on. If everything's good, we should see no codes anymore. And there we go, no more codes. So we're gonna go back, live data, and just gonna wait for this thing to communicate. So we're gonna type in matter sensor, and we scroll down, and we see here 213. Well, it's dropping because it's cold. So as you can see here, it's dropping temperature really fast, and that's pretty much it. Entonces vemos aquí que la temperatura está bajando rápidamente en el sensor. Pues la troca está fría, no lo hemos prendido un buen rato, y eso es bueno. Entonces quiere decir que nuestro sensor ya está funcionando muy bien. Alright, so this will be pretty much the end of the video, guys. Please, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, subscribe, comment down below, turn notifications on, and I'll see you on the next episode. Bye.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock